Start fresh. Hello guys, so welcome to tonight's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on JFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time when you see our program, for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news update as they drop all over the world. So for now, I'm gonna start with tonight's show. So one of the Burnley second choice goalkeeper. In fact, before I give you the story, make I give you a context. When Burnley did championship, when they play, this guy on the Max Weiss. He's a 21-year-old goalkeeper, very, very tall, 1.90 cm, or if you like, 6.3 centimeters. So the guy is very tall. Now, the guy don't do with Burnley 6 years. But when they come for the Premier League this season, I think they bought Dubravka. So Dubravka will be the first choice goalkeeper. They don't go relegation. Now, the new coach can come. For the match they play against Aston Villa, they play 2-2. Mike Jackson can't carry this max. We say, after all, we don't already go relegation. So may yourself get first team experience before we go back to championship. So that motivation now you can use play against Aston Villa. First time when they play for the Premier League this season, they can play 2-2. So now he can beg the coach say he would like to test himself against Arsenal. This Arsenal are Champions League finalists, Aji. So he would like to play against this Arsenal. They don't fear anybody. No, if they feel the confidence. So now make I carry the story, can't give you. Weiss, I would like to test myself against Arsenal. I'm going to read the story from Burnley Express. Burnley's Max Weiss on Premier League debut, #1 hopes, and Arsenal. Now, when you read the entirety of the post, fresh from making his Premier League debut with Burnley, Max Weiss insists is ready to take the #1 jersey going forward. So, the 21-year-old was given his chance to play for the interim boss Mike Jackson. Even the Mike Jackson said, I never even say never be the real like na interim capacity even they said. So this Weiss now from Germany in day. Now we spoke to the local media to preview the game where he discussed a wide range of topics, including his debut, life at Burnley, potentially daunting clash against the Gunners, and his intention to become the club's #1. Here's what he had to say. Before I tell you what he said, make I add another information. This Weiss now, they live for Burnley. They live for Manchester. He even talk and say this match get huge meaning for Manchester City because he can't live for Manchester. He wants to be the hero, the Manchester hero. So that even they walk out for the street of Manchester, they will say, that's the guy that helped us against Arsenal. That's the guy. The more reason we will make, we need to pack and give him. I pray make him be the coach. He gonna say the experience. Waiting Dubravka they sit down, they see. Even like making climb Olumo Rock, you go see him. Let's come back to the story. Now, they're going to ask him, keen to test yourself against Arsenal? He said, for sure. I wanted to play every game of the season, but obviously now, when I have my first game, my debut, I just feel like, yeah, I'm at it now. I want to keep playing. I think we can motivate ourselves. It's Arsenal. They are Champions League finalists. So it's a huge game for us as well to just prove ourselves and show that we are capable of competing with this kind of teams and with the teams in the Premier League. It's a big game for Man City as well. But for us, we are just looking at our game and trying to enjoy it and give it our best shot. And I remember the day why they tell and talk say, when teams meet us, they use us, they gauge where them dey. They use us, they gauge how good them dey. But when they meet their mates, when they meet other people, they don't have the same type of motivation, the same type of hunger and desire to prove a point. But when they meet us, they always want to prove something. This is a team that have gone relegation. If this mindset now when they carry, now want to prove, why not prove them against other people to beat the drop? Why is it that against us now? We not say we define something. Now won't come show say we did plenty, but we not be nobody. Now make I finish the slide. Then it don't say we shall forget our own record against teams like Burnley. As then get their own record, say they know they take IC top 6 teams. They draw Liverpool, they draw Chelsea, they draw Man U, they do this one. We shall forget our own record. I will still show you. Now he said, I think it's going to be an incredible experience. How many fans can fit there at the Emirates Stadium? 60,000 or something like that. It's going to be a huge crowd and one of the best teams in the world right now. So I'm just excited to go there And when I get the nod, I'm just going to be ready. As in, he can't wait to play Arsenal. But the truth be said, we never really know whether Mike Jackson will give Dubravka the nod, who's the first choice goalkeeper, or he will continue what he do against Arsenal Villa, come deploy this Weiss against us. Baba, I said today, after I read the guy report, I can't take my time, go check Burnley squad. I can't discover say former Manchester City fullback. What the name call it off my head now? This guy really very fast. He never heard before. I don't know how to explain, but I know what they talk now. This Arubo with the jackpot, with the disturb Martinez, we get pace. Wait, make I pause this video. Now Kai Walker, because I got pause the video, go check Google because it was the point I say I want to talk about. I know right and I keep up my head on my memory can't fail me. So it's Kai Walker. So I check I see Kai Walker self will get your own extra incentive to play against us. I check them. I look all their team. Who be their best player? No, I check a lot of things. I see Hannibal. I check everybody. Baba, may they carry everybody come on that day, Monday. May they carry them come. See our own record. No team. Okay, no be this one. Down the record CD down. Don't worry. We'll get there. We'll talk about it. Now, away from that, so Fabrizio Romano say no team in the top 5 leagues this millennium has scored more goals than Bayern this season. 122 Bundesliga goals, more than Real Madrid. 2012, more goals scored from top 5 team. Or more Bayern the Hots this season. They really scored. They scored 122 goals. In fact, people will be saying they're ahead of them in like this millennium. They're talking about Torino, 1947-48, where they scored 125 goals. Bayern the Hots, they're good. Now, away from that. So I don't know how many of you had the opportunity to watch the FA Cup. So Man City winner, yes, they won the FA Cup 1-0 Semenyo score. So I watched the match. I was rooting for Chelsea, but Chelsea no really. I don't know. They know they see their period, so Man City don't carry out. So we'll just give it to Man City and make a no life for you. Pep is a legend. Come on, you just need to give him his flowers. 20 trophies in 10 years. 1 Champions League. Then look at 6 Premier Leagues. 5 League Cups, 3 FA Cups, 3 Community Shield, 1 UEFA Super Cup, 1 FIFA Club. Come on, the man, no. He has done so much for this Premier League. This man might arguably be the best coach ever in the history of the Premier League by the time he will retire. Into good. We just have to give him his flowers. Because, come on, like, just give him his flowers. They can't even ask and say, Alpha, when you will retire? Baba no want talk, he just they laugh, you get say, well, I don't know, no one talk anything, but we just enjoy. They deserve it, made them just enjoy. Now, breaking news we'll just hear this evening, they say Chelsea don't agree with Xabi Alonso is going to be their new manager for next season. Yes. So now go in charge. And you don't tell them say any transfer they go on buy any player, he must give the AOK. Otherwise, they no go sign that player. Now the condition we give them. Now, this not the record. Why they tell this picture they down. This not the record. Arsenal have won their last 14 games against newly promoted sides at the Emirates Stadium in the Premier League. Up next, Burnley. So as Burnley get their own record, so if we meet top 6 team, we don't take I see them. We know they take I see newly promoted team. Say they visit us. But they always let them know. Say we not be mates. So they let them know every time. So this time around, Burnley turn. So when Burnley come, we will know whether Burnley will continue their tradition of taking points off the traditional top 6 this season. Where we say now only Man City escape with 1 goal. So all eyes will be on Arsenal, but we'll see what will happen. Now, Man City say, I know they fear this match. I know they fear. If they start to play this match, if this will not be about say maybe they underrate, but they don't go relegation. If they're good, they go relegation. This will not be about say person they underrate this one. But nobody get the crystal ball like I always say. That's okay. See what will happen for the future. All of us just the project right now. And when you look at on paper, in fact, you know, say in the morning I be talk about the odds. Somebody can't message Mr. CHUKS. For this match, they give us 1.10. They give Burnley 25 because even the bookmakers know it is a long shot. Say Burnley won't go the Emirates Stadium, go win. Draw for this kind of draw will be like maybe 12 or 13 odds. Draw. because it's a long shot. That's just the truth. I can't see anything other than an Arsenal. If they say that Arsenal win or Arsenal win, there's nothing, no option. It is whether they like it or yes. No option. Ajay. So I don't know how they want to do them. Maybe we go do multiple individual errors, dash them many penalties. I don't know how they want to beat us for the message. Sadly, I think keenly interested because the amount with the manager they make, the amount with this goalkeeper will not even bust my head. That make me in fact, how I wish I thought I would crop this goalkeeper statement, place and say, oh man, this is a challenge. Let them know. Because like play, make it don't come go be reality. I don't know what did they give that guy the ginger. I don't know. I really want to know. So I don't show you our own record. Say we get record against all these promoted teams. You know I see them. Our last 14 games we don't play against newly promoted sides. They collect. We know they play. So they be on Monday next tomorrow. We go say it go be another good news we are coming here and the fact say Mourinho fit still play this season. Say this guy being involved for the match we will play against Crystal Palace on the final day, which is a decent plus. It's okay. Now, away from that. So, Mario Kiko talk say before he joined Arsenal, he believes say Arsenal they on the right path. They won't win something, like they won't win trophies. That's why he joined them. And I even watch another video where they ask Noni Madueke say, moving from Chelsea to Arsenal, do you think it is an upgrade? Like, would you say you upgraded? He say the result speaks for itself. Like, look at the table. Now then end the arguments. Just look at the table. So no plenty talk. And that's what it just be. Now, as season, everybody they win league, back around with La Liga, PSG don't win Ligue 1, Bayern don't win Bundesliga, we never get winner for Premiership, and Inter don't win Serie A. So Celtic they win this Scottish League. And some former Arsenal players we did Oxlade Chamberlain, Kenan Tierney, Austin Trusty. Some of our former players they will say they follow them win something. So are they happy for all of them? They just celebrate. Now, for the virtue of the fact, say Manchester City win this FA Cup, and then still nobody else win them, you get. So now we say now we and then go play Community Shield first and second. So I think in 2026 Community Shield at the Millennium Stadium, Cardiff on Sunday, August the 16th. We will be the curtain raiser for the new season. So that's when it's going to happen. So well, till then, by then we don't get our own new players now. Now, Joe Cole can send message to Arsenal. They reveal the only reason Man City will not win the title. So the best team in Europe on current form is Manchester City. And they are in danger of missing out on the Premier League title, according to Joe Cole. Now, Cole they talk say Man City dey hot now, but it is little too late. Like, you can have talent, but you've got to have the mentality and the mindset, and that's got to be driven within the culture of the club. During the dark times, we saw Pep last year scratching his head on the side of the pitch because he knew it wasn't working. I knew then that would motivate him, and he has found a solution. But he find the solution late. Now, waiting Joko they talk. Say Man City dey hot now, but the title race is actually not in their hands. In fact, the way me I see this title race, Man City have their most difficult game on Tuesday. Arsenal have their most difficult game on the final day. Because this Aston Villa against Man City on the final day, I think Aston Villa will sell that match. Nobody like say physically sell am. Like, Emery bad blood they go get for us. Plus Emiliano Martinez bad blood. Like, there's so much bad blood in that Aston Villa team against Arsenal. Say if he decide to just throw away the match, Martinez will decide to not catch some kind shots. Emery will decide to rest players. Make Man City pack and give them. Like, now me just it's not be say anybody tell me this one. Me just will use on my head say Emery no really like he no go like make Arsenal win the league. If he really set up a team, tell them come outside because now he no get anything they really fight for. They don't get the Champions League. So that final game, I really don't think Aston Villa will really put body the way we would want them to put body. He gets just like Crystal Palace no go really put body the way Man City will want them to put body. But either way, If we win Burnley and Man City beat Bournemouth, that Crystal Palace match, anything can happen on the final day, you get, which is going to be crazy, you get. But I still think this Bournemouth, I don't know, I just get this belief, say this Bournemouth say, as in they go turn up, they go run out for us. Even if you listen to wetin Pep, I was saying get there, if you listen to wetin Pep talk after winning the FA Cup, you go know say they dey think about Bournemouth like mad. They dey think am, e dey their head. Now, when you look at what the London Evening Standard is talking about, Pep Guardiola reveals problem Man City have as title race with Arsenal goes to the wire. Now, Pep say this FA Cup wey dem win, dem no go celebrate am, no time. Say now they dey reason Bournemouth. You know Bournemouth away on Tuesday, that will be even tougher than this Chelsea game. Pep knows. Try and go there and get a result. Pep knows. And na wetin dey give me that ginger say, omo, and the occasion don dey the right level. Antonio Raiola is leaving. The players want to repay him as gaffer. Himself go like to give them European football. So okay, before they go, even if na conference, they go, even if na Europa, or I am hold down and tight. So they will need a good showing. They don't really need to win for me. Just draw. They no be Chelsea wey no sabi kick. I just get belief when they say they sabi knock ball. They sabi and they dey home. They are like 15, 16 games unbeaten. Papa, I just get this confidence. No be say Pep no fit beat them all, but na team wey be say dem go fit challenge Man City the way I want them to challenge Man City. Anything can happen, just like the Everton game. Anything can happen. Pep knows, he gets, and they are fresh. All the last time they played, they are fresh compared to Simple. Everything, all the metrics, everything goes for Bournemouth. But they just did lucky on that day. So now the way me I see am, but it is all projection. Let's see what happens. Now away from that, even Antoine Semenyo yourself, they talk the same thing. They no go really celebrate because Bournemouth stay for front. I don't think there will be more celebrations tonight. It is getting ready for Tuesday. Just train the same way we have been training, and hopefully the results fall in our hands. So we just have to pray. You don't go break it. You don't go be Bournemouth away. Bournemouth no be small team. You get that match go hard. I think they pray make God run out for them against Bournemouth. So Bournemouth fans they play make God run out for them. They want to say God go tell our side. So yeah, the best team want win. Get pray for luck, Baba. Don't say make luck dey your side on that day. That's the best thing that you can pray for. Now, away from that, so we don't get big boosts. Calafio said don't return to training. Nigeria team myself don't return to training. So everywhere good. I'm very happy. You get so everywhere good. Now today, Al Nassr play Osaka for Asian Champions League 2. They lose the final. You get Osaka win them 1-0. That match, I dey monitor the match. And I see the wipe out the shot, not see the happen. From nowhere, Osaka score. Get why they think maybe Ronaldo go use and start in trophy counts, but it wasn't meant to be. In fact, Ronaldo even refused to go collect silver medal. He was too disappointed. He just cried. But it is what it is now. They just did one match away, just like me now. Ronaldo did one match, then win Denmark. I will watch Denmark live. Then beat Denmark, and I don't win Asian Champions League, Saudi Arabian Pro League. They all beat Denmark. That Denmark now they fight elevation, but get. So when they just go back and give them, they don't lose a lot. How many matches? Well, we'll bring a message from one of our sponsors in Mobi World Associates and Co-Limited. So the NC Construction Services, dredging, canalization, real estate, and shore protection works. They're also into mechanical and fabrication services and procurement services nationwide. So if you want to reach out to them, call them on +234 806 46422 34, and they're located at number 7 Kenny Road, Razi, opposite St. Stephen's Anglican Church, Port Harcourt. So if you're interested in any of their services, please do reach out to them. So the biggest news of the night and the fact say this Burnley goalkeeper Weiss, he thought he would like to test himself against Arsenal. So my dear Arsenal lovers, if you don't watch to this point, don't forget to like and share our content so that it will go wide and more people will see what we do here. And with that being said, I think it's a fine place for us to call to our next. Like, come your way at tomorrow morning to give you the morning news. So then thanks for tuning in. Enjoy the rest of your nights. And good nights. And I'll get out right, guys. Ciao, and I'm getting better and stronger. Thanks.